Next up is from Kathy from Abington, Pennsylvania. She wants to know, how do you convert more clients, and does it matter if they come from web traffic or referral? How do you convert more clients, and does it matter if they come from web traffic or referral? Yes, obviously it matters if they come from web traffic or referral, because referral basically is a warm lead.
Correct. Yeah, and you need to identify that.
Speak a little louder.
Yeah, you need to identify that. You need to have workflows and systems set up where wherever the lead originates, it needs to be addressed accordingly, and there's a script, and that's a key thing that a lot of offices, whether you're a law office or an insurance office like mine, everything needs to be scripted. You don't need freelancers, okay? So when you get a referral lead.
And let's just be clear, when we say scripted, we don't mean to turn someone into a robot.
No.
We just mean rehearsed.
Yes, rehearsed.
A winning team, you played basketball very competitively, right?
Correct, yes.
Did any game ever go exactly according to the game plan?
Never.
Why not?
Because things happen in, the game. Someone gets in foul trouble. Someone turns an ankle. I mean, the referees, who knows?
And the opposing game, and the other team
may do something we didn't prepare for.
They're trying to do things you didn't prepare for, right?
Correct.
So you go in with a game plan, and then the minute the game starts, what did Eisenhower say? Plans are meaningless. Planning is everything.
Yes.
And Mike Tyson, everyone's got a plan until they get punched in the face.
Exactly right.
So when Mike is saying scripted, we do not mean that you are supposed to be a robot.
Correct.
We scripted, meaning just you sort of plan out how it usually goes. Role play with your staff. Go ahead.
Yeah,
sorry.
When the scripting, it means these are the general parameters of what's going to be said. Whether it's 3 things, 2 things, 6 things, 7 things, the intake model of it. What are you gathering from them? When a lead comes in, how many offices a lead comes in, they just start working the lead? The first thing you should always ask, how did you get our name? How did you get our number? If you're not getting off the internet, obviously web traffic,
because
coming off of web.
Because the idea is that your marketing here. Yeah. The idea is that your marketing message should flow. You should be choreographing your marketing message so that the whole thing flows together. You might have a marketing campaign that speaks to, and this person, Kathy, didn't say what her practice area is. Let's just pretend her practice area is, I don't know, make something up.
Bankruptcy.
Bankruptcy, okay. You might have a marketing campaign that speaks to how bankruptcy is, it's a necessary evil. You got to get it over with. You got to pull off the Band-Aid. Why? Because it's what stands between you and a better life. And the sooner you get this done, the sooner you get to enjoy that better life. Whereas you might have a different marketing message.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are ready for boarding. Please take a moment to locate your zone on the boarding pass.
I'll say this quick.
The boarding process by noting on
You might have a different marketing message.
This will be followed by parents traveling with.
God, this guy really wants to talk, doesn't he? Whereas you might have a different marketing message about bankruptcy that is all about get the creditors off of your back, the banks have an unfair advantage, this is your chance to put a level playing field. You might have a different message for a bankruptcy firm that's all about the biblical roots of bankruptcy and the morality of bankruptcy, and they owe it to your family to give them a future and not give their future away to creditors. The point I'm trying to make here is you've got 3 different marketing messages, and so the way you convert each of those clients is going to be different because each of those clients is coming in from a completely different point of view with a completely different set of expectations. So how do you convert prospective clients? You learn how to sell. That's the bottom line. You learn how to sell. Where are you today? Where are you? I'm talking to the person who wrote this question, Kathy. Where are you today in your life and in your business financially? Where are you personally? Where are you today professionally? How is your life today? Versus how do you want your life to be in 18 months from now? Close your eyes, listen to my voice, and imagine the life you want to be living 18 months from now. How much does it cost to live that life? How much, the house, the car, the vacation, the domestic services, the philanthropic things you want to be doing, the free time. What do you want to be? What do you want to do? What do you want to have? How do you want your life to be 18 months from now, 24 months from now? Okay, there's a delta.
I'd like to invite our Sky Priority customer support. Thank you for your business and loyalty.
I got to wrap this up. There's a delta between where you are today and where you want to be. That delta is the value of what How to Manage a Small Law Firm, for example, can do for you. That delta is the value we can provide. If you are already exactly where you want to be in your life, we can't help you. Congratulations, I'm happy for you. You can't help a person who's already got everything they want. Be happy for them, that's good. The way you convert a prospective client is by having a systematic, organized, we do an entire live quarterly meeting on sales. We've done 3 of them already so far in the last 5 or 7 years. We do an entire 3-day workshop on how to sell from the state, on how to sell legal services. This is not something I can explain in 30 seconds on a video. The way you convert prospective new clients is script it, plan it, strategize it, flowchart the whole thing out, and take some sales training courses. And I'll put a link here for the next time we're going to do one of those. We got to get on this plane.